Big thanks to Kamado Joe for sponsoring this episode.
Hi, I'm Pitmaster X and I'm going to show you how to turn this supermarket chicken into Japan's most delicious recipe. Yes, it's a supermarket chicken. Of course, you gotta look for the high quality supermarket chicken that's been free ranging and has a lot of fat, but nowadays it's quite common to have these in the supermarket. So that's our starting point. So you can actually make this at home. This is actually the hardest part. I'm going to cut open my chicken, flatten it out, and then take the whole skeleton out. It's a little bit of work and fiddling, but trust me, it's going to be well worth it in the end. It's going to make all the difference in the world for this recipe. Next step is to get some flavor on this chicken, and I want to keep it as authentic as possible. So I'm going to start with 8 cloves of garlic and the same amount of ginger. To that, I'm going to add around 5 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to grind it up until I have a smooth paste. I'm going to use this as a marinade for the chicken. And of course I want to season it with some ground pepper and salt as well. Then I'm going to let this sit on my countertop while I start up my Kamado Joe kettle grill. I've got my Kettle Joe set up for grilling direct heat, but I can keep my hand here for a longer period of time, which means I have a low temperature in my grill. Even though I'm direct grilling, I'm basically giving the meat the opportunity to cook slowly. That's going to help with keeping it as juicy as possible. Chicken slowly cooking, we're building up a nice bit of crust, and that's a good sign. So I'm closing the lid so I can keep a check on the temperature. I don't want the temperature to raise too much. So with the lid closed and the top vent at my fingers, I can control how high the temperature is going to be. And our beautiful chicken is done. Look at that super nice crispy brown skin. And that's gonna turn our teriyaki chicken into the best teriyaki chicken there is. Time for what you've all been waiting for, that special teriyaki sauce. And here is the authentic Japanese recipe. A hot pan, sweet soy sauce, and mirin. Some sugar, and just stir it. That's how easy this is. And now it's time to give our chicken a bath. Give it a good dip, because we want that sauce to get everywhere. Now look at that. Wow. That is a beautiful looking chicken teriyaki. And there you have it, an easy, authentic teriyaki chicken. You can make this at home. Now, if you don't want to go through the whole grilling outside thing, yeah, it's not gonna be that good, I promise you. This is way better, but if you do, then use a cast iron pan, please.
That looks amazing. That really, really, really looks amazing. Don't you think? I'm gonna eat it all probably. Sorry, yeah, no, come on. No, not again, not again. You're gonna have your piece, but first I'm gonna try.
I know you want some, but I'm gonna go first. Look at that. That is one juicy teriyaki chicken. I just wanna see if we can get a little drip. Yep. It's dripping juicy. There we go.
You're probably sitting at home thinking, it's only chicken, but it's so good. How good can you make a chicken?
The flavors are spot on. And this is how you get it real juicy. It's like, you have the advantage of cooking a whole chicken. It's juicy, it's tender, it's flavorful, not like the smaller cut up parts. And the good thing is we took out all of the bones, so you don't have to worry about the bones while you're eating it. Insane.
How many ingredients had that marinade? 2? 3?
Yeah.
3.
My favorite parts are the end bits. They crunched up, a lot of flavor, absolutely perfect.
I'm gonna give you a big chunk, so you have to be gone for a really long time. You happy?
1, 2, 3. And she's back.
But that's about it. But this chicken, you gotta try this. I mean, look at the dog.
No more Kentucky Fried Chicken for you.
No more Kentucky Fried Chicken.
No more Kentucky Fried
Yeah,
Chicken.
because like I love Kentucky Fried Chicken, but eating that for the rest of my life and not this, I'll rather have like something that's really taking back to old school chicken. That's chicken teriyaki.
I made a little plate with some rice, some chopped up Chinese cabbage, and some carrots. Everything that you want with this beautiful dish is on here.
But let's be completely honest. That's what we really want.
No, nobody cares about the rice.
No.
Look, veggies?
No.
No. Chicken? Yeah.
Yeah.
See, it's easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave us a big thumbs up in the comment down below. And,
I did.
Morrison did, so why not do it yourself? You know where the recipe is, it's on pitmasterx.com, just to be sure. Thank you for watching, thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on cooking teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, basically.
Forget about Kentucky Fried Chicken.
That's all I'm gonna do.
So good.